This actually does some split testing using the Target Traffic Rotator tool up here. So let me show you how to do that. First you want to do is create a project here. So I'm going to actually enter the URL of my web page here. Here's my company, USA Digi. And what I want to do is I want to split test this headline here. So I want to see which one is getting a little bit conversions. There's many other split testings you can do, you know, like your buy now button colors or what have you. But in this case, what I want to do is just do the headline split test here. So I'm going to change this one on the second page. So I'm going to copy this. Go ahead and paste the URL here. Let it pull the page in. Okay, so now what I want to do is just duplicate this page. Okay, so now we have two versions. So the first one is going to be my neutral. That's going to be the original headline. And the second one here I'm going to change. So let me go into live edit here. Okay, so basically what I want to do is just completely remove this and add a brand new headline. So, and I want to see if what it's going to do is if this right here is going to be more effective for more sales or whatnot. And I want to make this a little bit more attractive. So what I want to do, let's change the colors here. I want this to be that nice purple that I had in my other one there. Okay, so when you get started with USA Digi, you can kiss all other tools and their costly price tags goodbye. Okay, cool. So this will be my second test. I'm going to go ahead and save this down here. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is group these two pages together. And to do that, I need to come over here and toggle this little toggle on selection on. So I can get my check boxes here, and I'm going to check both of these together. Then I'm going to come to this little icon here and create a group. So I want to call this USA Digi. And this will be headline test. And create that. Okay, so it's created. So let me go ahead and open the group now. So now you can see there's my two pages. Okay, so the next step I need to do is come over here to Traffic Rotator. Okay, and if I open that, it'll show me the two pages here are together, and here is my traffic stats. Of course, there's none now, so let's test out this link. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link here. And let's go ahead and paste that in the browser. Okay, so it's giving me 577. Let's open up a new one. Paste that in. Giving me 576, so that's one for each page tested. 577, 576. So we should have 4 stats here. So let's go back and check on the dashboard. And I'm going to go ahead and use the refresh button here. So yeah, so we each have 2. So each time somebody clicks on this link here, it's going to rotate those 2 pages out. So now I'm going to have some tracking code within my page on the buy now buttons to reflect each one, right? So what I would have to do, and I'm not going to go into all of that in here, I'm just making you understand the process of how this works. So if I go back to home page here, and I would have to go actually in the live edit and edit some code in here on my buy now buttons to reflect each page. That way when I come back in here to my tracking stats, come back to the Traffic Rotator, I can match the website number here, 577 or 576, to see which one got more sales. And I can also see which one got more traffic. And I can compare the traffic stats to the sales stats and see which headline made a difference or if it didn't make a difference. So if you test one thing at a time like this, you can really get an accurate results. If you test too many things at one time, then you're not going to be sure what's going on, what's working better or not. So just a little tip.